I recently stumbled upon the gem of a book called Atomic Habits by James Clear. Why do people mostly fail when it comes to New Year's resolutions? Well, the culprit is the absence of one or more of the 4 laws of behavior change, as explained by Clear. Make your new habit obvious, easy, attractive, and satisfying. Think about your exercise routine. If it wasn't glaringly obvious, like a phone reminder, you probably forgot about it and continued with your usual day. If it was a hassle with too many steps, find gym clothes, shoes, drive, reserve equipment, etc., it wasn't easy enough for consistency. If it felt like punishment, it wasn't attractive enough to stick. And if binge-watching TV on the couch was more satisfying, then the workout wasn't rewarding enough to lure you away. Fear not. I've got you covered with 2 killer strategies from Atomic Habits to make every new habit obvious, easy, attractive, and satisfying, turning you into a healthier, happier, more productive person. First up, stack and start. You've unknowingly used habit stacking before, like pairing flushing the toilet with washing your hands. So, use an existing daily habit as the trigger for a new one. I did this by stacking flossing right after brushing my teeth. Voila! A seamless habit stack was born. Just remember, if the hill of your new habit seems too steep, you'll need to simplify your starting ritual. Take the example of Twyla Tharp, the renowned dancer and choreographer. Her workout ritual was as simple as getting into a cab and instructing the driver to go to the gym. After that, it was easier to continue to the gym than to face the embarrassment of turning back. Focus on the starting ritual, the bare minimum that makes it easier to proceed than retreat. Most starting rituals take 2 minutes or less. Now let's stack and start an exercise habit. Use your habit of driving home from work as a cue for the new habit. When you spot the gym, exit the freeway, park, walk in with your gym bag and scan your pass. After that, continuing your workout will feel more natural than quitting. This makes the new behavior's cue obvious and the requirements easy. But wait, there's more. To make a new habit attractive and satisfying, behavior laws 3 and 4, you need to synchronize and score. Ronan Byrne, an electrical engineering student, synced his stationary bike with his laptop to watch Netflix while cycling. If he slowed down, the show paused, pushing him to cycle harder. Sync your favorite experiences with your new habit, and you'll actually look forward to doing it. To make a habit stick, you must keep score. Mark a calendar or use a habit tracking app or notebook. Seeing the proof of your accomplishments will motivate you to continue. James Clear states, "Each time you write a page, you are a writer. Each time you practice the violin, you are a musician. Each time you start a workout, you're an athlete." Scoring your habits will make them inherently satisfying. So, this year, embrace stack and start, then synchronize and score to make habit building obvious, easy, attractive, and satisfying. Soon, that once weird habit will be part of your identity, and it'll be weird not to do it. And that's the golden nugget I got from Atomic Habits by James Clear. If you enjoyed this, share the love. And, as always, thanks for watching, and have a chill and fantastic week.